So you're selling home improvement products on Shopee. And in tier 1 ads, isn't it must you use one product? You're asking whether you want to use one product or combining multiple products. Now, based on our experience, if you have multiple products, of course, you can actually share multiple products. So when it comes to the advertising structure and all that, you can actually combine multiple products into a slideshow, which is something that we do often. And then, of course, you can actually create an instant experience to actually, highlight the products that you are, trying to highlight. But of course, you won't be able to sell the whole store. You see, you don't want to overwhelm your audience. So that's why the key strategy here is you want to select the star products. And I would suggest to keep it within 10. You see, the idea here is you want to attract the people to come over. Let's say, for example, if you have 10 star products, people are really interested in these products. So when they come over, and then of course you can have different strategy like, buy 2 to get extra discount and all this kind of thing, which is they may buy other products because of one item that they really want to buy from you. So that's kind of a thing. So you don't want to overwhelm your audience with too much information or too big a variety on the front end, especially when you're running ads. You have to always remember, in my opinion, when you're running ads, you're trying to attract the people to come over. You are not selling on the advertisement itself. That's what I always emphasize. So don't try to sell on the ad. Try to come over, bring them over first and sell on your website or your Shopee store. So that's how it works.